Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by making sure iCloud and your device are ready. Sign into iCloud with your Apple ID, then open iCloud settings and confirm there's enough storage. If you need more space, upgrade now so transfers won't fail. Next, enable iCloud Drive and turn on each app you intend to store in iCloud. This tells Apple which apps can write to the cloud. Once those toggles are set, you're ready to move app data. We'll do that step next. Now move the actual app data into iCloud. On iPhone or iPad, tap Settings, your name, iCloud, then toggle the apps you want to sync. On Mac, go to System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, click Options and enable app-specific items. For apps that store documents or media, open the Files app or the app's Export/Save dialog and choose an iCloud Drive folder. This places files directly into cloud storage. Make sure sync finishes before closing the app. Look for status indicators or a small cloud icon. Finish by verifying your apps and files are in iCloud. Open the Files app or the app itself on a second device with the same Apple ID to confirm items appear. If something didn't upload, make sure you're on Wi-Fi, you have enough iCloud space, the device runs the latest OS, and the app's iCloud permission is enabled. If issues persist, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle the app's iCloud setting off and on to force a rootload. This resolves most sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.